For strong winds that blow lonely.
I'm going to show you the easy way to play 4 strong winds so that you can sing along. So let's get started. Start by playing a C major chord like this, then going to a D minor 7, to a G, and then back to that C. Then we play those 3 chords again. C, D minor 7, then you hold this G. Now we're going to repeat them again. Go back to C, D minor 7, then back to the G, and to the C. Now this time we change. We're going to go to D minor 7, up to an F. All you do is you move that left hand, and then to a G, and hold that G. Now that's how the verse goes, and it's also how the chorus goes. So if you can play those chords together, you can actually play the entire song. But I'm going to add in a bonus tip here that'll help you sound even more like the original song. When you're playing the G chord, we can add in this extra little fill-in, like this. Alright, how did I do that? Well, when you're playing the G, there's 2 ways to go about it. The easy way is to just play that note in the left hand and just play these green notes with your right hand. It's like a melody on the top. The other way is to play like this, with your thumb and second finger playing those purple notes, and then your middle finger, ring finger, and pinky playing those other notes. So, like that. I would recommend starting off just playing the regular G chord, and then as you get more comfortable, then you can add in. That's how the chords go. Now I'm going to show you how to put them together to play the verse and the chorus.
Think I'll go out to Alberta, weather's good there in the fall. I got some friends that I could go to working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. For strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound